Hi, my name is Dorothy. Welcome to my channel, Hacker Hint. Today we're going to make a cherry pie by scratch. The cherries are from the backyard, so let's get baking. So the first thing we're going to do is make the cherry pie filling. So this is 4 cups of cherries. If you don't know how to pit a cherry, Whole Foods has a really good instruction video up on YouTube. So they go through how to pit a cherry. They use 3 different methods, so you can pick the method which is best for you. So I would recommend that video. So we're going to start. So this is 4 to 5 cups of pitted cherries. Then we're going to add a cup of sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of tapioca, a half a teaspoon nutmeg and cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of almond extract. So we're going to mix this all together. Just going to set this out on the countertop until we get the pie crust made. So I have my mixer set up here, and so we're going to make the crust. First we're going to put in the flour, which is 3 cups of flour. One teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So we're going to give this a little mix. And then we're going to start adding in our butter. So this is 1.5 sticks of butter, and it's 1/3 cup of Crisco to make it very flaky. So I'm just going to add a few in and start the process. Pea size to nickel size. So I'm going to start adding the cold water. And this is about 1/2 cup of water. that's a pretty good dough. So I just have a little bit left in the container. So I have my dough here, and I split it in 2 sections. So I just put a little parchment paper on my cutting board since it's very old. So I'm going to just roll out the dough. And put a little flour on so it doesn't stick. And then I have my pan here, so I'm going to put it in the pan. Okay, now I'm going to, for the second part of the dough, I'm going to make some lattice to put on the top of this. So that's what we're going to do next. So here's my other part of the dough, and I'm going to roll this out too. So there we go, it's all rolled out. And now I'm just going to cut some strips for the top of the pie. And you can cut them however you want. Medium or fat, however you like your pie. Oh, that's a bigger one. Okay, wonderful. Now let's assemble our pie. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is we have to fill the pie shells. So I'm going to do that. So this is our cherries that have been marinating in the sugar and the tapioca and the vanilla and almond. And so we just put that around there. And then we're going to put on the lattice. And then I just need one more. So I'm going to cut the edges off of this. Okay. I'm just going to trim off some of the excess. And I think I am just going to use a fork to flute the edges. So here's our pie. It's ready to go into the oven. So I'm going to bake this in a 425 degree oven for 10 minutes and then turn the oven down to 350 for 45 minutes. Here's the finished product. Like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.